Want it that way. Tell me why you matter heart set for me.
Who sings the song?
Backstage Boys.
Backstage Boys.
It's Backstreet Boys.
Let's keep it that way.
Hi, I'm Abu from the .NET stream. My biggest learning experience has been the difference between a smooth running application and wanting to pull all your hair out is a simple semicolon. I've also learned that in software engineering, there's always a new and exciting problem around the corner and many different ways to solve that problem. My overall experience has been a mixed one, kind of like debugging a legacy system with no documentation, which is at times stress-inducing, but also oddly satisfying. I also met wonderful people who balance being tech wizards and also patient saints that have allowed us to learn a lot and to develop our skills as programmers. Thank you.
Or JavaFX. It's exactly that same type of coding. So it's pretty much the.
Hi, my name is Anas. I form part of the Java stream. The biggest learning moment for me in this program has been the fact that how much there is to learn. When it comes to Java, the open source world is incredibly vast, and there's always something new that you can pick up and develop and create something amazing. This program has been incredibly insightful in teaching me people management, in teaching me communication skills, in teaching me how to be a good developer. So yeah, overall, I've had the best time of my life.
Hello, my name's Carl Smith. I'm one of the Java cadets here at DVT. I'm currently working at Discovery on their project. What I've learned in the grad program is definitely the importance of teamwork in a development environment. I don't think without my team I would have gotten as far as I have. So just working as a team is such a big part of my daily development life now that I couldn't have imagined it. As for my experience with the DVT grad program, it's really been amazing. Meeting so many like-minded individuals who just kind of have the same desire to grow as developers as me is really great. And at this point, I think I'd call them colleagues and friends as much as, fellow grads. So yeah.
Why isn't this web component working? Has anyone seen a yes? Bingo.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Tanatso Dendere and I am a front-end developer. And my biggest learning moment with the grad program was when I learned to ask for help. I had always been someone who wanted to do things by myself, and after our first project, I really learned how to ask for help, and it made my second project and the projects thereafter go a lot faster because I was able to come to my mentors and get really, really good help, and it accelerated me in the work that I was doing. And my experience of the grad program, I would sum it up in just fun. I think I learned a lot. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about the people that were around me, and all of it was fun. It was hard, but it was fun. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Musa, and I am a web cadet. And I'd say the biggest thing that I learned in this grad program is to be more expressive, is to put myself out there and to put myself in, uncomfortable situations. And I'd say the best experience that I've got was the workshops, because it's a new opportunity to learn new things and to explore new ideas, because I am someone who really loves to learn and to experience new stuff.
Do you know like the key moments that in the life of Springfield that we should know? Like firstly, when it was born, 1st of October 2021, aka it's like Michael Manuel's birthday. And pretty much since then, all we really care about is his birthday, right? All that really matters. If you really care about anything else, it's about when Spring Wars became killer, 11th of February 2022, when it became gangster, 27th of March, when it became fire, at this time when we automated springboards. What? Gangster fire? Wow, amazing, much wow.
Hi, my name is Zania. I'm a UX UI designer, photographer, and officially a videographer in the grad program. I've learned a lot about myself during this year. I think that was my biggest learn point, was as a designer, there's a lot more I can do and a lot more that I can accomplish if I put my mind to it. My overall experience for the cadet program was Rose's workshops really taught me a lot. There's a lot of soft skills that you as a designer needs in order to communicate with clients. So that was a great experience, just learning how to do that. And then I also really enjoyed getting to know people from different backgrounds, and it's been a great experience.
It'll be about the iOS 18, the new. Oh, let me just grab the door. After you, Princess 1 and 2.
Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. So, what is the breed of that dog? What the dog should?
Yeah, definitely. Hi, I'm Gia Catano. I'm part of the mobile stream. And my biggest learning experience from this whole grad program is definitely just how to adapt and thinking of new ways to approach different problems. And then my overall experience was really just how to learn a lot of new concepts in a real short amount of time and just apply that and work together in a team.
Hello, my name is Sebastian. Around here, I'm known as Seb. My experience in the grad program has been nothing if not amazing. I've learned a lot of valuable skills, ranging from technical skills all the way to, communication skills. And I think the best thing I've learned in the program is, I would say, a deep sense of community that I have with my fellow grads. We build each other up, we challenge each other's thinking, always learning from each other, and to me, that's priceless.